Hello friends, Sari here. Today we have this question. This question is being taken from RMO 2001. It says that find the number of positive integers x which satisfy this condition. Now let's see how we can approach this question. Now first analyze this equation, that is integral part of x by 99 is equal to integral part of x by 101. When this quantity will be equal to 0. This will be equal to 0 means I can say that x by 99 lies between 0 and 1, and for this I can say that x by 101 lies between 0 and 1. Multiply this equation with 99, I'm getting 0, x lies between 99, and this with 101, x lies between 101. Now what are the common value of x I'm getting? I'm getting x belongs to 0 to 99. It will be open. Well and fine. So from here I can say that x belongs to 0 to 98. Closed. Now it says that number of positive integers x. So for sure we have to reject this 0 also. So I'm getting x belongs to 1 to 98. So from here I'm getting 98 values. Well and fine, but this is the case when this quantity become equal to 0. So if this quantity equal to 1, I will get some other numbers. If this quantity equal to 2, I am getting some other numbers. So instead of solving for each and every one, what I will do, I assume this quantity to be equal to k. X by 101 equal to k. Well and fine. Now from here I can say that x by 99 should lie between k and k plus 1, and same way I can say that x by 101 should lie between k and k plus 1. Now multiply this with 99, I'm getting 99k x 99k plus 99, and this equation I will get 101k less than equal to x 101k plus 101. This I am getting. Now I have to check the, here it will be 99k. I have to check the common values from these two. See, here I am getting 99k to 99k plus 99, and here I am getting 101k to some other number like this 101k plus 101. So what are the common values? These are the common values I am getting. So I am getting x belongs to 101k to 99k plus 99. This I am getting. But this thing will have only meaning when this quantity is greater than this quantity. I can say that. So I can say that 99k plus 99 should be greater than 101k. I can say that. Well and fine thing. So now if this quantity is this thing, I can say that 2k is less than 99, or I can say that k is less than 99 by 2. But k is an integer only, na? I assume this quantity is k. If this is integer, this is integer, mean this is integer. So I can say that k should be less than or equal to 48. Sorry, 49. I can say that k should be less than or equal to 49. Well and fine. So what I got the values of k will be 1 to 49. And for 0, when k is 0, we already counted the values, that 98 values. So what are the total values I am getting? See, for k1 or for k2, I am getting these much values. So what is the number of integers I am getting? I can get like that. 9, see, it is 99k plus 99, it is open bracket. So 99k plus 98, it will be close bracket, minus, what is this quantity? 101k. So minus 101k. So what I am getting? 98 minus 2k. This I am getting. But if you know that whenever we do the counting, like 1 to 9, if I do 9 minus 1, I'm getting 8, but actually it is a 9 numbers, so we need to add plus 1 also. So here we need to add plus 1. So I'm getting what? 99 minus 2k. So for any k, I am getting these much values of x. So we know that k varies from 1 to 49. So I can say that total values of x is equal to 98 plus summation k is equal to 1 to 49, where this quantity is 99 minus 2k, and this comes out to be 2499. This is our final answer. Now there is a one result based on that. See, this is a very common question and many times asked in Singapore Mathematics Olympiad, Australian Mathematics, Australian Intermediate Mathematics Olympiad, and many other Olympiads also. So whenever we got something like this, x by m minus 1 is equal to x by m plus 1 integral part for m greater than equal to 2. So the number of positive integers is equal to m square minus 4 by 4 m is even if m is even, and it is m square minus 5 by 4 if m is odd. These are the two values possible. So we can cross check this thing result with this question also. See, in the question it is given that x by 99, so I can say that it is m minus 1 is equal to 99, or I can say that m is equal to 100. So m is a even quantity, so I will be having this thing. So what is this quantity? 100 square minus 4 divided by 4. What is that? 10,000 minus 4 divided by 4, which comes out to be 2499 only. See, so either you can remember this result, or you can solve this way. And it's a very common question. Very common question, many times asked in many Olympiad. Hope you like the solution.